In this lecture, we discuss the slide transition in Filmora 13. So open your Filmora, right, and go to the transition, and in list search the slides, right, and you see the all slide transition, right. So first I downloaded some slide transitions, right. So personally I like this transition because I like it static, right, in favorite, also in favorite, and also in favorite, right. The cube, the sweep, and the push transition, I personally like it. So first I want to download it and want to downloaded this transition. No, I use in this lecture, right, and downloaded in this transition, right. So I want to import some media files, right. So I import this file, right. I decrease the quality, drag and drop, mute the volume, and I want to trim it in some parts, one part, two parts, three, the fourth, and the fifth part, right. Now I want to apply the transition one by one, right. So go to transition, and in transition we go to the slides, and in slides we first apply this transition, right, and now apply this transition, and then apply the transition, and now we apply the transition, right, in this, right. Now we play this transition in full screen, right. So I play it. It is the first transition, and it is the second transition, so in this video we learned the slide transition in Filmora 13, right. Thanks for watching.